Hello everyone, welcome to the Stats Corner. In this video, we are going to find the characteristics function. The question says that if x, y, z are IID normal 0, 1 variates, then what is the characteristics function of x plus y into z divided by square root of 1 plus z square? Okay, so suppose we write w equals to x plus y into z divided by square root of 1 plus z square. Okay, now we have to use the conditional distribution of w given z. For that, we have to take one realized value of random variable z. Suppose the realized value of random variable z equals to small z. Now we use the conditional distribution of w given z. And what is the realized value of z? Is small z. So this will be x plus y into small z divided by square root of 1 plus z square. Okay, now we can write it like this: 1 upon square root of 1 plus z square and x plus z into y. Now focus on this quantity here. Okay, so x follow normal 0, 1, y follow normal 0, 1. Okay, so x expected value of x or and expected value of y both are 0, and variance of x and variance of y both are equals to 1. Now expected value of x plus zy will also be 0. Okay, because x and y both are normal variates. And what will be the variance of x plus zy? This will be equals to 1 plus z square. Okay, so we can say that x plus z into y. This variable follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1 plus z square. Okay, now if we divide this variable with square root of 1 plus z square, okay, then we will get normal distribution again. Let's divide it: zy upon square root of 1 plus z square. So this will follow normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1 plus z square divided by now square of this quantity will come here in the division. Okay, this is the property of normal distribution. That means normal 0, 1. Okay, so what we have derived? We have derived that w given z equals to x plus zy upon square root of 1 plus z square follows normal distribution with 0, 1. Okay, so this conditional distribution of w follow normal distribution 0, 1, and we can notice one thing here, that the conditional distribution of w does not depend on w. Here in the parameters of normal distribution, mean is 0, variance is 1. There is no involvement of z in the parameters of w normal distribution. Okay, so this w is we can say independent of z. So that means the marginal distribution of w will also follow normal distribution, right? And we can prove this using the conditional joint and marginal distribution also. But for now, in this video, we will not go into that. We will just stick to this fact that the conditional distribution of w given z does not depend on z, so the marginal distribution of w will follow normal distribution 0, 1. Okay, so what we have obtained till here, we have obtained that w, that is x plus yz upon 1 plus z square, square root of 1 plus z square. Follow normal distribution with 0 comma 1. Okay, now what will be the characteristics function of w? Characteristics function of w will be e to the power mu it minus half sigma square t square. Okay, so on the place of sigma we have 1, on the place of mu we have 0. We can substitute the value of mu and sigma, and the characteristics function of w will be equals to e to the power 0 minus half sigma square t square, and which is equals to e to the power minus half t square. Okay, so the characteristics function is e to the power minus half t square.